Hi guys, DJ Semi here, just giving you a quick overview video on how to get Eclipse LED lighting around the Platter set up on your SC2900s and to have it retained when you go into the MIDI mode with use for DVS software like Tractor. First things first, two players there. I'm just going to boot them up. And as they go through their little power sequence, you can see the obviously the LED lighting coming up around the Platter there. Looks very pretty. Now, as you can see, the player is loaded, but there's no lighting around there at the moment. And the reason for that is because, as you can see from that display, I'm in CD mode by default, and there's no disc. So basically, there's no media loaded into the players. So the players by default are not showing you any LED lighting, because the whole point of the LED lighting is to let you know about cue positions, needle points, that kind of thing. But there's not much point trying to show that information to you if there's nothing to reference it against, i.e. something to play against. So CD, if I just load this guy in here, you'll see something miraculous happen. Baba! I have LED lighting. Okay, another CD. So I'm putting CDs in here. The same process works if you put in, I don't know, a USB key into the top portion just over there, or if you were to link it to Engine or something, you then basically see the Platter light up. And then obviously if I was to, play and move something around, you see the LED lighting move around in accordance to show you what I'm actually up to. Okay, so that's the first step. Now the second step is, obviously you might not want the blue, you might want a different color, in which case you go into utility menu, preset settings, scroll all the way through till you see jog indicator color. So by default it's blue. Now if I don't like blue for some reason, I can change it to red, or I can make it what else can you do? Purple, different colours you can do there. But say for example, let's just go back here. Say for example, I wanted to go red. Okay. So as soon as I leave now, you can see that I've got one red Platter, I've got one blue one. Okay. On here, same thing, same process. If I want to change this, helps if I go to the right option. Change this and then go to, right, let's try right, so let's say I want that one to be red as well. There you go. So now I've got two red Platters. Okay, now if I want this information to stay when I go into MIDI mode, what you do obviously is you need to go into MIDI mode. So normal MIDI mode, PC linked, completed. And as you can see, that light is now locked in red. And over here I can do the same thing, go into MIDI mode, PC mode completed. So I now have LED lighting on my players and I'm actually in MIDI mode. So that's how you start the process off. But obviously then if you want to get something going, I can start Tractor off just to prove it's going to hold a shape there. Let the software load up for a second. Right, so now you can see the rest of the lights are coming onto the player because Tractor's actually loaded up. So I've got my text display and my purpose-built TSI mapping for use with the SC2900. Same thing there, I've got text display and the lighting. So I can go through here. Sorry, you can't see that moving, can you? So all the ability to scroll through, select tracks. There's a text coming through in the moment of a particular track I've got loaded up. Same thing over here, if I just move this down. track loaded, text going through, and the light is still on. And then obviously I can click play, lighting going. Now again, the key is that I'm moving the platter, the lighting itself will not change, purely because it's just a background feature. There's nothing going to be reacting, because nothing's being told to go to that platter and get it to do something different. It's just on, it looks pretty, but it's of no functional use other than to make the platter look cool. That's about it. I mean, again, playing, got a track going, but the actual platter works, but the lighting is not going to do anything. It's just there for show. Okay, that's it. Okay, if you can't get it working now, I'm not sure what else I can tell you. That's how you do it. Okay, cheers, bye.